What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. This revolutionary system has transformed the way we think about money, finance, and trust in the digital age. At its core, cryptocurrency is built on blockchain, distributed ledger technology that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is grouped into a block and linked to the previous one, forming a chain. This structure ensures transparency, security, and immutability, meaning once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin have emerged, each with unique features and use cases. One of the key features of cryptocurrency is decentralization. Traditional currencies are controlled by central banks and governments, but cryptocurrencies operate without a central authority. Instead, they rely on a network of computers nodes to validate and record transactions. This decentralization reduces the risk of government interference, censorship, or manipulation, giving users more control over their finances. Cryptocurrencies also offer greater accessibility and inclusivity. With just an internet connection and a digital wallet, anyone can send, receive, or store cryptocurrency, regardless of their location or access to traditional banking systems. This has made cryptocurrencies particularly valuable in regions with unstable currencies or limited financial infrastructure, empowering individuals to participate in the global economy. However, cryptocurrency's volatility is well documented, with prices often experiencing dramatic fluctuations in short periods. This makes them risky for investors and less practical as a stable medium of exchange. Additionally, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies has raised concerns about their use in illegal activities, such as money laundering or fraud. Despite these challenges, cryptocurrencies have sparked a wave of innovation in finance and technology. They have given rise to decentralized finance DeFi, which aims to recreate traditional financial systems like lending and borrowing without intermediaries. They have also enabled the creation of non-fungible tokens (ENTs), which represent ownership of unique digital assets, like art or collectibles. In conclusion, cryptocurrency represents a groundbreaking shift in how we think about money and trust. By leveraging blockchain technology, it offers decentralization, security, and accessibility, challenging traditional financial systems and opening up new possibilities for innovation.